Hello friends, welcome to this channel. Today we will learn that how to set the visual graphics, font designing, volume setting in your SAP GUI. Okay, for your SAP GUI. Okay, if you want to set your text, color, graphic colors. Okay, do want to on a beep, a voice, a volume, want to close the volume, you can do all these things. Okay, so in today's session we are going to learn that how to set the visualization of SAP GUI. Okay, let's go. Open the SAP starting box, to double click on the icon. Okay, after that go to your left side. Here you can see the button, press this. Okay, go to the option. Yeah, first option is visual design. You can also read this. In this area you can select the visual theme used by the SAP GUI. Okay, you can also customize theme specific option and visual design settings such as font type and size. Okay, let's explore this button. Theme setting. Here is some themes are available to set. Quartz theme, quartz dark theme, quartz high contrast black, quartz high contrast white, Belize theme, Belize high. Okay, Orbu theme, SAP signature theme. Suppose I am selecting classic theme. I want the classic theme of SAP, so I have to choose this option. Okay, yeah, we have done the theme setting. After that, click on font setting. Yeah, here is also the font setting option are available. Click on select. Here is the some font. You can see in screen these fonts are available here. Okay, suppose I am selecting this consolas. Okay, and you can also select the italic bold or bold italic from here. Okay, suppose I will keep continue with regular. Click on OK. Okay, after that, what is this option? Standard toolbar, application toolbar, and status bar. It is the auto selected. Okay, after that, color list, it is off. Color in forms, color pattern, you can also select the color patterns from here. If you want any 3D effects, click on, yeah, on this function. Okay, then after, go to the interaction design. Here are some settings available here. Keyboard setting, visualization 1, visualization 2, notification, control setting, and sound setting. Suppose visualization 1, this is the option available in interaction design. In visualization 1, visualization 2, some options are also there. You can also control the sound from here directly. Okay, suppose you want to start the volume of any error message, or any enter message. You have to just right click on this, activate audio signal. If you off this, the sound will be off. Okay, if you click on it, it will be activated. Got it? Okay, fine. After that, you can also clear the memory from restore and cleanup section. Here are some options given by the SAP. Restore SAP GUI default setting, delete all user defined security rules, clear input history. You can also clear your input history. Now, whatever decode you have been used in your history, the same will be deleted from here. Okay, delete local cache file, clear local tab order, delete all files in document folder, delete all files in temporary folder, delete all files in trash folder, and clean chromium edge browser control cache. Okay, from here, so the conclusion is, from here you can control all the uh, basic options of SAP before starting a session. Okay, hope you all will learn from this video. If you like my videos, then please subscribe and share and comment also. Thank you very much guys. I will be back with a new video. Okay, thank you.